It's been another very busy week on the Kingston dock, and if you want to make sense of the title, you're going to have to watch to the end. There's always room on this job for a little individual effort. The right lighting conditions make for a privileged look at the work inside the passenger terminal. Visible grading marks make it clear that levelling up the top of the north finger is a priority. An approach down the dock on Tuesday morning gives weight to that feeling. Over on the south finger, welders are once again busy at the business of installing bollards. Nearby, work on the critical electrical supplies continues. The installation on Wednesday of vacuum mooring points marks a significant advance in preparations. The team conducting the work face the not insignificant challenge of making 24 individual bolts mate with their necessary points on the cabinet. A certain amount of persuasion proves to be necessary. Ultimately, what really matters is that the cabinet is finally and firmly positioned. Meanwhile, elsewhere, the business of undertaking landscaping requires less precision, but equal dedication. Enduring various discomforts, the work of installing bollards continues. This week we'll see, too, the preparation of facings around the roof of the passenger terminal. Thursday sees the welders still hard at work, but this time with the vacuum system just beside them. On the north finger, interest is shown in the large embedded storage vessel. And work continues along the roofline. Friday sees the reappearance of a team conducting a survey of the underwater profiles. And of course, there's more welding. Up at the entrance to the site, a bit of housekeeping is in order. And to round off the week, a small amount of concrete appears to close the gap between the passenger terminal pad and the new boarding bridge area. It looks as if blazing and signing are getting some attention, and we'll round off the week with a look up from the dock and across into the city. Thanks for watching.